We're a very large geographic area. Powys covers a quarter of Wales. We have huge diversity within the county, so we have everything that you might need.
As an employee of the council, we're also very keen that people make the most of their work-life balance, and Powys offers great opportunities for people to do that.
We've got a county that is just made for adventure sports, so being able to come from work straight out into the environment, straight into the mountains, whether it's walking, biking, paddling, we've got it all.
Mae yna lefydd difyr a diddorol yma, felly mae'n mynd I gallu gandryll amser cinio. Mynd rownd y siop y llyfrau, cael gweld y diwylliant sy'n digwydd yn fannu. Mae rhywbeth werth I ystyried pan mae rhywun yn chwilio am rhywle I fynd I weithio. A byddai well gennych chi weithio mewn ardal ddinesig, trefol, neu a di o'n gyfle I weithio mewn lle mae gennych chi'r ddau, a'r gorau o'r ddau fyd, ac yn wir yma Mhowys mae hwnnw ar gael.
I'm from Copenhagen, so I'm a city girl, but I like the fact that you're in walking distance of everything, dentists, doctors, shops, what have you, and yet you are even walking. You can walk down the Montgomery Canal and you are out in a beautiful countryside.
Mae'r cyngor yn cefnogol iawn o rhieni sydd yn gweithio a maen nhw'n cynnig amrywiaeth o trefniadau I helpu pobl I cydbwyso gwaith a bywyd. Ar ôl I fi gael plant, wnes I penderfynu gweithio'n rhan amser ac erbyn hyn dwi'n gweithio 3 diwrnod yr wythnos. Pan mae'n bosib dwi hefyd yn trial gweithio gartre 1 diwrnod yr wythnos sy'n caniatáu fi mynd â'r plant i'r ysgol a mae'n lleihau'r amser dwi'n treulio yn y car.
Studying my A-levels in Llandudno High School and started looking for apprenticeships, and two for Powys County Council came up. It was always this one that I wanted. I was given a full-time position and I've gone on from there. It was the best decision I ever made. They've given me a lot of training. Very grateful for them for doing it because it's set me up for life now really, all of these qualifications and training that they've given me.
Peth bwysig fi yw iechyd a lles fel rheolwr a chwaer I Clwb Pêl-droed Cersws. Mae oriau hyblyg yn gweithio'n dda iawn I fi. Dwi'n medru gorffen gwaith yn gynnar I chwarae pêl-droed a mae hynna'n hyrwyddo cydbwysedd dda rhwng bywyd a gwaith.
From our perspective in comms, you know, it's changing daily, weekly. Keeping up with the tech is really important. The council have been very supportive in encouraging us for one, to better ourselves in understanding new technologies and going out, getting the training, what we need, equipment. We get a very good opportunity to broaden our skill level, and that's a real big pull to the job.
Mae'n swydd ddifyr, mae'n swydd sy'n fy arwen I ar draws Powys. Mae'n swydd lle mae tîm o bobl I gyd yn cydweithio ac yn ceisio cyrraedd yr un nod ar un amcanion, felly mae'n swydd braf iawn dweud y gwir. Ac mae'n ambell I beth yn digwydd lle mae rhywun yn ystyried bod nhw wedi gallu newid bywydau bobl. Dwi ddim yn credu bod ni'n gallu newid y byd. A ydy hi'n bosib I ni newid byd un person, ond sicr I fod o. Mae'r boddhad ydw i'n gael o fynd adre yn gwybod bod hynna'n digwydd yn beth mae o'n rhywbeth sy'n yngyrru I fynd i'n waith I ddweud y gwir.